Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video I'm going to talk about more about list in Python. So in the last video I have given a kind of basic idea of list. I have taught you the basic of list in the last video. So in this video we're going to see more functions and more methods that we can use with list in Python. So let's get started. So first of all, there's a method. For example, it is a simple list. We have some names of fruits, and if you want to add an item to the int programmatically, you can use this method in Python. So append. So I'm gonna add GL. So if I print the names, so if I execute the program, and you can see there's an extra item will be added as GL to the int of this list. So basically the append method is used to add item to the int. So it is very useful. For example, when you write program, it will be very useful for you to do your program in a perfect manner. So append is used to add extra items to the int. The next method I'm going to teach you is insert. The insert is similar to append, but the thing is the append will only add to the int, but insert can be added anywhere. For example, this one indicates the position where you want to add. For example, this is 0 1, so you want to add GL1 over here. So if I run this program, it is going to add the GL middle over here. Like that, you can tweak the position where you want to add your items like this. So the insert method is very powerful. You can set your position where do you want to add your items like that. It is very important. The second method I'm going to teach you is remove. The remove is used to remove any items from the list. For example, if I want to remove the banana, I can use the remove method. So if I execute it, the banana will be disappeared because I removed the banana using this remove method. So the remove method is used to remove items. The next things I'm going to teach you is pop. The pop method is very powerful. The pop method is similar to remove, but if you leave it like this, it is going to remove the macro. Okay, the pop method will remove items at the int if you don't specify it. For example, the macro will be vanished. The macro will be removed from the list. So if you want to remove a certain item, you can put the index position in it. So now the pop method will remove the apple from the list. If you don't specify anything, it's going to remove from the beginning. Okay, like that. For example, if I want to remove the banana, I can just type 1, so the banana is going to remove. And the pop method is used to remove items, and you can take note on it. And the second things I'm going to teach you is del. Okay, so this is also a kind of very useful methods. For example, you can use like this: del names 0 1. It is going to delete this apple from the list. So basically, for example, you can see that has been removed from the list. It is also, the del keyword is also used to remove items, and you can put its index. For example, I'm going to remove 3 means I think it's the orange is going to remove. So if I run this, the orange is going to remove, because array always starts at 0 is the first element for computers, but 1 is the first element for us. Okay, you have to remember that things also. The second things I'm going to teach you, clear. For example, names dot clear. Now if I run this program, the list is going to clear and we will have the empty list. So if you want to set the list to empty, you can use this clear keyword in Python. So it is very useful. The next things I'm going to teach you is reverse. For example, if you want to reverse the array, so if you execute the program, it's going to reverse the array in a reverse order. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. In the next video I will teach you more list functions like this, and thank you very much for watching this video.